Alright friends, this is Bug Brothers. We're going to show you how to start a car up without the wiring on it today. And first off, you got to run both of your battery cables, which is really easy, right there to the starter, and the negative right there to the body, or the chassis in this case. Okay, then you take your hot wire and you go around and you put it on your coil, on the top side of the coil there. Okay, let me see. There we go. And it's on that coil. And then the next thing is you got to take a little gas, which I already did, but I'll show you how I did it. And you pour it in the carburetor, right like this. And fill that bowl up on your carburetor. You don't even have to run a gas line. Once you get that bowl, pretty full, then you can pull this hose funnel off of here to your bowl vent. And that's the way you can fill it up for a temporary test start. So then all you have to do, after you run that hot wire, you just come over here and on your starter here is you got your cable run, so you just touch this other prong and that cable, and she's going to need choked a little bit, I think, so we'll put it on choke. Well, let me try giving it some gas. Okay. Choke's on again. And she's out of gas, but that's how you do it. And back in the old days when we repossessed cars, back in the 60s and early 70s, you could just hotwire a car and get it, but you can't do that anymore because you'll just run a computer up. So, and they got lock steering. But this is just for starting up, and because you've been missing here in your motor run, so it's pretty fun to just make sure it's still running. It's been setting quite a long time now because we was painting the body and the motor and resurfacing the chassis in many ways. And it's got a new welded in pan back here, and the rest is solid steel and covered with a layer of fiberglass. Now that was my own idea because I worked in a fiberglass company for 37 years, and all the steel's good. You can see, look here, how good that is. The Napoleon hat's good. The holes are good all the way around. Everything's good. The back hat, I'll name it that, and it's all good. So I just covered the pans with fiberglass because if anything penetrates the carpet or whatever, it will never rust this out. It's coated all the way up to here and there. Now I know people fix rust with fiberglass. That is a real bad idea. Do not do that. But to prevent rust, like putting down that rubber coating, rust proofing, that's pretty good. But this is 10 times better. So I didn't do nothing but to the bottom, but paint it with two-stage paint, black and clear coat. So everything's looking good. Got the brakes working, clutch working, and everything's ready to put the body back on pretty soon. So thanks for tuning in. This is just for fun. So we'll catch you later at Bug Brothers.